from Cliffs Amusement Park provides accommodation with free Wi-Fi and free private parking. The motel features family rooms. At the motel, every room is fitted with a desk, a flat-screen TV, and a private bathroom. All units will provide guests with a microwave. Speaking English and Spanish, staff are ready to help around the clock at the reception. The nearest airport is Albuquerque International Sunport Airport, 14 kilometers from the accommodation. Couples particularly like the location. They rated it 8.2 for a two-person trip. Because we value you, we offer free Wi-Fi access and cable television in every clean, comfortable room. Perhaps what most sets us apart from the competition is our friendly and personal service. We really enjoy serving guests, and we hope that shows in everything we do. www.desertinandsuitesabq.com